Miss Crit, but my real name is Laura Spencer. I am a born and raised St. Pete-based artist, and I'm here with the Shine 7 Mural Festival. The design of this mural is all plants that I'm currently growing at my house. The phrase, Nowness into Portal, is based off the idea that if enlightenment is a pre-existing condition, meaning that we are all able to tap into that peace and equanimity and oneness, all we have to do is be present, be still, be here now. Inspiration is a fickle mistress. It's discipline that gets you where you need to go. Inspiration is flighty and highfalutin and is what everybody thinks artists are, but what our real job is to sit and cry in our sketchbooks because we're completely drawing a blank. As an illustrator, I'm always thinking about designing in context of my environment and my audience. I don't think I compromise myself or my vision for creating a floral mural, but I do feel like it's important to play to the audience that you know.